the pull the flap card. I hope you enjoy. Now let's get started. So first, the things you will need is a paper and maybe a pencil case or some colors. Okay, now let's get started. First, now it's time for me to tell you the instructions. Now first, we're gonna get our paper, and just like in the start when we were making an aeroplane, we always fold the paper like this. We're gonna do this, but also on the bottom and the top. So I've already done the top, now let's do the bottom. The corners must be meeting, like when you're folding a paper in half. Now, here we have it. Now we have to fold this long ways. Okay, like this. You know there's like long wide triangles, just like that. See this? Now these two edges, the edges or faces, whatever they're called, of the shape, they must be meeting together. So just like that. Okay. Now these bits, you're gonna fold them in, and they must be touching this thing. Just like that. Now we're going to do that again on the other side. And there it is. Now at the back we have got to draw what we want to draw. So we're going to fast forward this bit. So keep up. Now we are done doing the card. Look what I did. You must do this. Okay. Now this is the tricky bit. Most people say this is complicating. So you fold this in half. Watch carefully, okay? I forgot to say that. Fold this in half. Like that, like you're making a normal card, but with the triangle. Now you fold this on top. But we're not going to keep it like that. This bit we're going to open like this, and rectangle, square, whatever, it's going to have to go inside this corner, like that. Like, if it doesn't work, then try the other side. Then try this triangle going into this. That was this. It's working, it's working. That was a fail. But let's try again and again and again and again. I finally did it. Okay, now we are going to decorate and write pull. So the person you're giving this card to can know that you have to pull this bit. Okay, now we are going to fast forward this bit. And I'm going to draw. Fine, you can also draw. I'm doing it kind of fast. Okay, now we have it. The ultimate pull the flap card. I keep forgetting its name. So now, I was kind of in a rush because I was making a video, but if I wasn't, I'd be like taking my time. Okay, now it's time to say goodbye, and I hope you liked it and you enjoyed making your card. Show how to pull it and put it back. So first, you have to pull this bit as shown. You'll see half of the card. But then you unfold this bit, and you can read this. YouTube. Please subscribe, like. And now you can even fold it back like this. And now with your finger, make some space. Good. And now slide this in, holding these two corners. Slide the other side. And now slowly slide it in. And at the back, there's this folding thing. If you want to put a secret message in there, you can. But I'm not going to do that. You can even write on the back. Now, I think it's time to say